Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, because it's so hot right now, month of July, it's all about 好热哦。
很热哦。
很热哦 That means it's so hot. And when it's hot, it means it's summer vacation time for students. 其实学生们这时候最开心了。
放暑假了。
对，你怎么那么开心啊？你又不是学生。
我也可以跟着放假。
哦，对 ，Alice 是老师吼。
小朋友也放了。
哦，对。Okay, Alice so happy. I thought, come on, you're not a student. It's not summer vacation for you, but it is because she's a teacher. She also gets some time off. So let's go right ahead and teach you how to say 放暑假了. It's summer vacation time.
屁处。
就这样吗？
那还有另外一种讲法叫做触尬。
触尬。
那我们要说放暑假了，要快乐一点，就是说屁处嘞，
屁处嘞，
或者是触尬嘞，
触尬嘞。OK。
因为我们说屁处就是放暑假了，
避暑的感觉。
对，就是避暑。然后呢，触尬就是叫我们年轻一辈，就是感觉就是暑假直翻了，所以呢就两种的说法。
Okay.
屁处嘞，触尬嘞。
All right, it's actually a different generation of saying it's summer vacation time. All right, 那这个时候就是天气变好热的时候，我们教整句怎么说？天气变好热 ，meaning the weather has become so hot.
天死边都很热哦。
天死边都很热哦，很热哦，刚刚教过了，好热。天死就是天气 ，that means the weather 天死。So what's a good thing to do, especially for students? 去游泳。
对，
去游泳凉爽一下，
好棒哦，
解暑啊。对。So one of the most popular things to do is go swim. So let's teach you how to say that. 我们去游泳凉爽一下。
En來去游水。
En來去游水。
凉爽一下。
凉爽一下哦，很喜欢凉爽一下呢。
那游泳的海陆腔，秋水。
秋水。跟秋水 Okay, it's two different dialects of saying swimming. And that whole phrase again means let's go swim and have some fun. All right? Let's review some of these vocabulary. It is 暑假就是 summer vacation.
屁处
屁处
或者是触尬
触尬哈 And then the weather 天气
甜死
甜死 And let's go swim 游泳
秋水
秋水改天我们一起去游泳啊
OK
带出你最亮丽的游泳装好，因为太热了，一定要好好游泳一下。说好热啊，怎么说？
很热哦，
很热哦。That does for today's Practical Hakka。
什么太嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.